Good morning, babe. I'm here to show you my alarm clock, which is you when you ping me online. Here lately I ain't been able to hear you, so I'm about to do something to fix that situation right about now. All this stuff's hooked up to the laptop. That's the speaker box out of the car. These are Yamahas. Really good speakers. And this amplifier is a 3,000 watt amplifier. Just look the model number up. But I've got everything hooked up. Let's listen to Bob Marley. I'll turn it down. It's really loud.
Love your way every day, yeah. Ooh, baby, I love your way every day. Shadows grow so long before my eyes as they're moving across the page. Suddenly the day turns into night.
Now when you send me a message, everybody's gonna hear it. This is outside. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, I really need to get back to work soon.
I like the sky.
Pretty cool, huh? Well, I just want to tell you thank you for listening to me earlier. You know, this whole deal with my daughter. I'm going to get this settled and get her, do what I got to do. But in the meantime, hey look, there's that sign I had made. Yes, your name looks good behind. My name looks good behind yours. I can't talk. But anyways, hey, you ever like sit in the mirror and just make crazy faces, like you never know what someone's gonna do, like But yeah, I really gotta go. That's me in the mirror. Pretty cool. But I love you, and I will talk to you when I get home. Bye, baby.